Grain Feed and Milling Magazine Weekly News Review, powered by Grain Tech Bangladesh 2023. It's seminar information. When the price of rice increases, the consumption of non-vegetarian food decreases.
In AGI Brazil, the new and largest AGI 60 degrees hopper bin is tested.
Flour, mayata, and sugar. Long wait at mill gate to get product.
Data is equipping companies with essential information to combat the challenges facing fruit, vegetable and potato sorting.
The work of Pakistan's Sindh Food Department is again under the cloud.
Big farmers are in trouble due to rising costs.
2022 USW Crop Quality Report is a must-read for wheat buyers.
Ukraine, FAO reinforces its presence to optimize technical and humanitarian assistance.
A regular advertiser. Grain Tech Bangladesh 2023, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine. Thanks for watching.